Hello students, this is your physics teacher Sandeep Tiwari. Now we will study a very important topic, that is international system of units. So we have already talked about units. Units are required to give the measurement of a physical quantity. So we have an international system of units, a system of units which is accepted internationally, so we use all over the world. Now this has a French name, that is Système Internationale des Units, that is called SI units. S is for system, I is for international. This is a French phrase. Now it has 7 base units and 2 complementary units. Okay, so base or fundamental, so you already know there are fundamental units. So it has 7 base or fundamental units and 2 complementary units. So these fundamental units are length, that is for meter, mass, its unit is kg, time, its unit is second, electric current, its unit is ampere, temperature, its unit is Kelvin, amount of substance, the unit is mole, and luminous intensity, that is brightness of light, and its unit is candela. So these are fundamental quantities and these are their units. So we have fundamental quantities and we have their units. So 7 fundamental quantities are recognized. See, in any system we can have any number of fundamental quantities. Okay, so in this SI system we have taken 7 fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities can be taken more than this as well, but this is a convention. Okay, this is a convention, so we are taking it like this. Okay, conventions I will explain. See, this length we are calling it 1 centimeter, so it is up to us. We can have different units as well. So suppose we have a unit of inch. Okay, inch is little bit bigger than this, like this much, so inch is bigger. So it is up to us, we define units. So this much length we can call an inch, this much length we are calling centimeter. So all this is a convention, all this is a system that we are developing. So these are the 7 units, and we have 2 complementary units that I talked about. 2 complementary, so they are radian and steradian. Radian is for plane angle, as you all know, angle between 2 lines, that is the plane angle. Now we have another angle that we call the solid angle. So suppose there is an area, ice cream cone, so an angle is formed here. Okay, so this angle is called solid angle and its unit is steradian. This is a plane angle formed by 2 lines, and this is a solid angle formed by an area and a circumference. Okay, so this is a solid angle. The simple example is an ice cream cone. Now we have other systems of units like CGS. Here the unit of length is centimeter, unit of mass is gram, and unit of time is second. Foot pound second, another system. MKS, meter kilogram second, meter kilogram second. So we have a number of systems. Of these, the MKS is similar to the SI, or we can say SI is developed from MKS, and this is our international system.